Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is a collection set in a Java. So the collection in a Java is a framework that provide a architecture to structure and manipulate the group of objects. Java collection can achieve all the operations that you perform on a data such as searching, sorting, insertion, manipulation, and the deletion. So Java collection means a single unit of object Java collection. Um, in a Java collection framework provide many interface like a set, list, queue, dequeue, and classes. So classes is array list, vector, linked list, priority queue, hash set, linked hash set, and tree set. So what is the collection in Java? So Java a collection represents a single unit of the object. Example, a group. For example, a group. So what is the framework in Java? So it provide a remade ready-made architecture in the represents a set of the classes and interface. It is a optional. So in Java, what is the collection framework? The collection framework represent a unified architecture of the for storing a manipulation a group of object. It has interface and its implementation, that is a classes and algorithms. So interfaces in collection set. First one is the iterator interface. So iterator interface provide a facility in iterating a element, the element in the forward direction only. Second one is iterable interface. So the iterable interface is the root interface for the all collection classes. The class collection interface extend the iterable interface, and therefore all the subclasses of the collection interface also implement the iterable interface. Third one is the collection interface. So the collection interface is the interface which is implemented by all the classes and the collection framework. It declares the method that every collection will have. In other words, we can say that the collection interface builds the foundation on which the collection framework depends. So some of other some of methods of a collection interface are boolean add, object boolean add all, and void clear, etc., which are the implemented by the all by the subclasses of the collection interface. In Java, list interface we discuss about. So list interface is the child interface of the collection interface. Inhabits a list type data structure in which we can store the collection of the object. It can have duplicate values. A list interface is the implemented by the classes array list, linked list, vector, and the stack. So array list, fifth one is the array list. The array list class implemented the list interface. It is uses a dynamic array to store the duplicate element of the different data types. The array list class maintain the insertion order and is non-synchronized. The element stored in the array list class can be randomly accessed. Sixth one is a linked list. So linked list is implemented the collection interface. It is used to doubly linked uh, list internally to store the element. It can store the duplicate element. It maintain the insertion order, and it is not synchronized. In linked list, the manipulation is fast because the shifting is required. Thank you so much.